I started owning a pool late 2 summers ago. Did not yet own the Aquabot, and learned all the things that I didn't want to have to do in the future, and that's why the Aquabot was a welcome acquisition the following April.
Because you had to have the vacuum attachment to a long pole. The vacuum hose was attached to one of the skimmers. We have a large pool and 2 skimmers. Then you had to go back and shut valves. And it would take probably about a half hour to 40 minutes of preparation just to get the skimmer and everything set up so that you can start to vacuum.
Aqua Products, the world's largest and leading manufacturer of robotic pool cleaners, has solved the timeless problem of costly, dirty, and ineffective pool cleaning by creating the Aquabots, the world's best automatic vacuum cleaners available today.
The time that it takes for me to clean the pool, it's nothing. I don't clean the pool. The Aquabot cleans the pool.
I just throw it in the morning and forget about it. Come back 4 or 5 hours later, it's done with the job, take it out, and that's the end of it.
We put them in at night, and the next day I come out in the morning, we clean them, and we're ready to go in the pool.
The powerful Aquabots automatically scrub, vacuum, and microfilter clean the walls, waterline, floor, and most steps of pools of any size, shape, or surface, including gunite, concrete, vinyl, tile, fiberglass, marcite, PebbleTech, or stainless steel. Working without the use of the pool's filter, booster pumps, hoses, installation, or even you, Aquabots are the easy, effective, and affordable way of cleaning your pool at the simple touch of a button.
I've dealt with units over the years, different types of units and whatnot, and I found this to be the easiest and the most efficient of all the units that I've used so far.
I just walk outside, flip the switch, and you go inside, and you come back a couple hours later and your pool's clean. But you can't ask for any more convenience than that.
Before the Aquabot was available, Aqua Products' industrial underwater vacuum, the Aquamax, revolutionized commercial pool cleaning. In fact, their Aquamax and Ultramax robots have proven so reliable and economical. Today, they are used to clean thousands of public swimming pools, leading universities, YMCAs, JCCs, hotels, clubs, water parks, and vacation resorts around the world, including cleaning up at the most prestigious athletic events, such as the Olympics and Goodwill Games. Thanks to technological advancements, Aqua Products has made home pool care just as easy and affordable with the Aquabot. Just like their professional commercial robots, the Aquabot is lightweight, durable, and easily handled. A transformer at poolside provides easy, efficient, low-voltage power, costing on an average only 2 cents per hour. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3 to operate. Simply plug its floating cable into the transformer, drop the Aquabot into the pool, and push a button. That's it. The Aquabot does all the rest.
And with this unit, just throw it in, turn it on, walk away and forget about it. Come back 4 hours later, it's done. I don't have to stand there, watch it, or move it.
By owning one of these units, you can spend more time enjoying the pool than working on the pool.
All the other units didn't compare to the Aquabot.
The Aquabot's remarkable performance begins with state-of-the-art engineering. Because it's designed with very few moving parts, the Aquabot is virtually maintenance-free. Looking inside, it's easy to see the other reasons why the Aquabot works so well. The brain and nerve center of the Aquabot is its onboard microcomputer. Programmed at the factory, the computer directs the Aquabot's movements so it cleans any size or shape of pool. Inside the computer, a network of solid-state sensors are constantly monitoring, directing, and adjusting the forward-reverse action of the heavy-duty drive motor, which powers rotation of the front and rear foot-long brushes to loosen and direct debris towards the vacuum openings. Because the brushless independent drive motor is immersed in oil, it provides thousands of hours of trouble-free operation.
Well, I bought my first one about 17 years ago. The reason I bought it because I got tired of vacuuming my pool every couple of days. So I bought the Aquabot, and Used it for quite a few years. Was very, very happy with it. It worked fine. Saved me that once a week coming out and back in the pool. And after about, I guess, 15 years, I traded in on basically the same model, just a newer model, and I've been using it ever since.
It's been completely reliable. It's almost like a game. I'll put the unit in the pool, which I did, for example, this afternoon, and I won't watch it crisscross its way across the pool, but I'll come back after a little while, and you can just see it systematically doing its job, and that reliability is very important.
I work with some long hours, and I don't plan on maintaining anything. Usually when something breaks, I throw it away. And after 4 years, I have no problems with the unit whatsoever.
A separate onboard pump motor gives Aquabot the power to vacuum up leaves, sand, hair, small pebbles, silt, and even algae and bacteria, down to 20 times smaller than main filters can filter, trapping everything inside Aquabot's easy-to-clean, reusable filter bag. The force provided by the vacuum's microfiltered water exhaust enables the Aquabot to cling tightly to all pool surfaces. When it reaches the pool sidewall, Aquabot begins climbing until it reaches the top. At the waterline, it scrubs around the perimeter of the pool, removing unsightly waterline deposits. Then, after its forward cleaning cycle is completed, the computer instructs the Aquabot to reverse direction and clean another section of the pool. When it confronts an obstacle like a ladder, Aquabot sensors tell it to reverse direction once again, so it never gets stuck, tangled in the floating power cord. Since debris and particles are trapped within Aquabot's internal filter bag and not the pool's main filter, backwashing the main filter can be reduced by as much as 80%, saving thousands of gallons of water each year, and the environment from the introduction of this chemically treated water.
It's clearly helped me reduce the strain on the filtering system, which saves money in electricity, it saves money in backwashing, it saves money in overall usage of the chemicals.
Your pool just stays sparkling clear all the time. It cuts down on your filter. It cuts down on time, energy.
And what made us purchase this unit was the fact that it was self-contained. It was one of the only units that we're able to find that was self-contained, had its own filter bag, and so it made us having to backwash less and not having to vacuum through the filter.
Maybe once during the year I will backwash the filter out as I see the stuff accumulating, but other than that, no.
The nearly 5,000 gallon per hour pumping action from the Aquabot's vacuum motor mixes the cooler chemical-laden bottom water with the warm chemically depleted water on the surface, equalizing the temperature and chemical concentrations. As a result, the overall pool temperature is increased by several degrees, reducing evaporation from the surface, the need to run costly heaters, and chemical consumption by as much as 30%. In the course of its pre-programmed cleaning cycle, nearly 30,000 gallons of water are microfiltered clean, allowing reductions of your main filter's operating time by up to 60%, saving you as much as $4 in energy costs each day, while also increasing the life of your main filter and reducing its maintenance costs. The Aquabot's computer memory is pre-programmed to move in a semi-systematic pattern to thoroughly cover the average backyard pool over 15 times, scrubbing, vacuuming, and microfiltering all types of dirt and debris from sidewalls, steps, love seats, and bottoms. When the cleaning cycle is complete, the Aquabot will automatically shut itself off. With an Aquabot cleaning your pool, you can enjoy the fun, exercise, and refreshment of cool, clean swimming anytime, without working, wasting time, or money. Because at the touch of a button, Aquabot cuts pool bills by as much as 50%, reducing chemical use and water waste through drastic backwashing and evaporation reductions. Aquabot saves electricity by cutting heating bills and filter usage, and costs only pennies a day to operate. In short, the world's leading Aquabot pool cleaners are the most efficient, powerful, and easiest to use swimming pool cleaners available today. They are the effective and affordable way to keep your pool spotless, without the hassle, without the mess, and without the added expense. Get your Aquabot today and start saving immediately.